Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, back with another super fresh arrival, guys. Sneak peek here. This is a 2026 KZ Sportsman 240 BH on the model number, guys. Check it out. True 2-year hitch to bumper warranty, guys. Now down back here, we got a nice little storage area. We also have a nice little storage area up front with a beautiful awning, 2 exterior speakers, and exterior skylight. Come on inside, guys. Let's see what all the hup's about. Just inside the Sportsman, take a look at this master bed area. So there is a queen-size bed there from factory, but you got enough space, and there's just enough space here that you could probably put a king-size bed there if you wanted to. Just maybe throw a pillow over top of the shelf. Up top, there is some storage and obviously some phone charging capabilities on either side. There's a window there for some ventilation. This couch here will drop down into a bed with cup holders, of course. Beautiful window behind that and tons of storage. We have a stereo deck right here for those inside-outside speakers. Dinette here for 4. TV can go right up top here, so great if you're in here on a rainy day. You're directly across from the TV, so you're not quirking your neck like that. Also will drop down for a bed, so that's a really nice feature. Down back here, we have our Envision appliances in our Sportsman, so freezer up top, fridge on the bottom, of course. Over across, tons of storage down below. Prep space here, which is really nice. Storage up top as well. 1-piece sink, 2 burner cooktop, and a microwave there. Now coming down back, guys, we do got double over double bunks. Just outside of that, we have a pantry area with some storage down below. Both of these bunks have phone charging capabilities and their own lights. And then boom, check out this bathroom. Huge-normous, guys. Tons of vanity space, on-demand hot water, so you can shower as long as you want to or as long as you have propane. Tons of space around the toilet, and just a shallow step up here into the shower, guys. Nothing too serious, and it's actually very spacious with the vent right there where you're going to want it. Folks, if you like this unit and you want to check it out for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.